The hunter has become the hunted in this case, something that you barely ever see. The investigator is now being investigated. We're talking, of course, about NCB Zonal Director Samir Wankhede, who's facing very, very serious charges of extortion. And keeping that in mind, he was also grilled for 4 hours yesterday by the 5-member team of the NCB. This comes, of course, after an independent witness, Prabhakar Sahil, claimed that 25 crore rupees was demanded by witness Gosavi on behalf of Samir Wankhede to let off Aryan Khan. Sources say Wankhede didn't answer several questions that were asked, so he remained evasive on some points. Wankhede so far has time and again denied any wrongdoing, saying that these are all allegations to try and hamper the ongoing probe. In more trouble for Wankhede now, the Mumbai police has also started its investigation into these bribery charges. The Mumbai police has appointed a panel of 4 officers after 4 complaints related to this were filed. The additional police commissioner, Dilip Sawant, will supervise this probe. Now, you've also got Wankhede's sister, Yasmin Wankhede, who's lodged a complaint at Mumbai's Oshiwara police station requesting an FIR against Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik. She's also mailed a copy of a complaint to the National Commission for Women. Yasmin has accused Nawab Malik of stalking, violating her privacy and maligning her family's image.
Samir Wankhede, the man in the spotlight, has been on overdrive to get to the bottom of Aryan Khan's cruise drug bust case. Despite a cloud of allegations hovering him, Samir Wankhede has decided to forge ahead unfazed. While he does his job, the NCB does its own. A 5-member special team of the NCB has landed in Mumbai only to probe the serious charges of corruption and extortion levelled against Wankhede by an independent witness in the Aryan Khan case. Prabhakar Sahil, witness number 1 in Aryan Khan's case, has stated 25 crore rupees extortion deal was being scripted at the behest of Samir Wankhede to let off Aryan Khan. NCB was quick to order an internal inquiry, with the team now all set to grill key players around this controversy, including Prabhakar Sahil, the witness who has accused Samir Wankhede of extortion; KP Gosavi, another witness in the case whose selfie with Aryan Khan went viral. He has been accused of taking bribe from Shah Rukh Khan's manager on orders of Samir Wankhede. Sam D'Souza, who's still absconding, a businessman and Gosavi's friend who is named in the extortion claim. Pooja Dadlani, Shah Rukh Khan's manager, who the NCB has accused of trying to influence witnesses. And finally, Samir Wankhede himself, NCB Zonal Director, who stands accused of trying to extort money in lieu of freeing Aryan Khan. NCB's Deputy Director General, Northern Region, Gyaneshwar Singh, has said that Samir Wankhede's statement has been recorded as part of their vigilance inquiry.
इस जांच को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हम लोगों ने समीर वानखेड़े जी का बयान आज रिकॉर्ड किया है। लगभग 4 साढ़े 4 घंटे चली बयान की रिकॉर्डिंग में बहुत सारी बातें उन्होंने रखी हैं और आने वाले समय में आवश्यकता अनुसार उनसे और भी कागजात लिए जाएंगे और कुछ और साक्ष्य की जरूरत होगी तो उनसे लिया जाएगा।
The Mumbai police tightens the noose on the other end. A preliminary inquiry has been initiated against Samir Wankhede. Mumbai police has already recorded Prabhakar Sahil's statement on camera, where he said he was forced to sign blank papers in the presence of Wankhede and that the extorted money was exchanged in bags. The Mumbai police will now investigate all electronic evidence. CCTV footage will be scanned to trace people, their location and places which Prabhakar mentioned in his statement. Samir Wankhede has rubbished these allegations, claiming that he's become a target only for doing his duty right.
समीर सर कुछ कहना चाहेंगे सर?
नहीं
थैंक यू सर। आप पर आरोप लग रहे हैं सर, लगातार पर्सनल अटैक हो रहा है।
सब झूठे हैं।
पर्सनल अटैक लग रहा है सर आप पर।
रिप्लाई करेंगे उसका।
While Samir Wankhede's credibility comes under fire, there are several questions which have cast a shadow on the NCB's probe in this high-profile case. Has the Wankhede storm dulled NCB's thrust on the case? Will Samir Wankhede be pulled off this case? Have allegations destroyed perception of a fair probe? Are attacks on Wankhede a revenge exercise? Is Uddhav government's stance principled or a cover-up? Sameer Wankhede has meanwhile sought protection from Mumbai police from likely legal action being planned, claiming he is being falsely framed. Bureau Report, India Today.